Welcome back to my channel, YouTube viewers. Getting set up to do part 2 of the gold-filled scrap refining. There it is back there. But before I do, I need to draw that liquid out of there. And my temporary stock pot bottle here that I pour off my waste solutions for gold refining was full. So I transferred that liquid up there to that big 10,000 milliliter jug there. Now the only way to really get this gold out of the bottom of this jug, this is gold that gets poured off when I pour off the waste solutions from my gold refining. When I do the rinses, some of it gets poured off. And the only way to get this out of here completely is, I'm adding some hydrochloric acid, just a little bit. And now, what I'm going to do is add some nitric acid. What that'll do is that'll put this gold in solution. And it makes kind of a neat reaction. So I wanted to show that. Alright, I'm going to get about 3 milliliters of nitric acid here. I'm going to add this in on the top. Now watch this, the gold, what it does when it reacts with the aqua regia that's formed when I add the nitric. It's a pretty cool reaction. Again, this is the gold that gets poured off of the waste solution. It settles to the bottom of this container, and then I pour off the waste solution. Normally it goes in my stock pot, but my stock pot right now is in waiting for me to do a refining on it. So I've been storing these gold refining waste solutions in this temporary flask right here. And as you can see, the gold is dissolved now. And I've tried in the past to rinse a little bit of gold out of the bottom of this flask to no avail. I don't care how much you rinse it, a little bit of gold gets left in there. So what I've found is the only way to get it out is to add some hydrochloric acid and a little bit of nitric acid, put it all into solution, and then we can get it out of there. This is some of the same solution from a previous flask that I had. Now what I'm going to do is pour this solution off into this beaker. Now that I've got it all dissolved out, rinse it out real good here. Sorry for the crummy camera angles. I'm working with a hodgepodge camera holder here. I got some rubber bands holding my iPhone onto a metal frame that's designed to hold the camera. But I think this will work well enough for us. Those are just fumes left in there now. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to add some sodium metabisulfite. As soon as this sodium metabisulfite hits that acidic gold solution, it will convert to sulfur dioxide gas, and the sulfur dioxide gas will precipitate out the pure gold. There's probably going to be some excess nitric in here. You'll see it fizz up pretty good. You see those fumes forming? That's confirmation that I do have excess nitrate going on in this solution. It will take a minute for me to get rid of all the excess nitrate. The way to do that is just keep adding the sodium metabisulfite. What happens is the SO2 gas produced when this hits that solution precipitates out the pure gold, but then any excess nitric in here immediately redissolves it, so it doesn't stay precipitated. As you can see, I got a ton of excess nitric in here. It's going to take quite a bit. There we go. We're starting to see some brown form in there. That's the gold coming out of solution. But there's enough excess nitric in here that it's going to keep redissolving as I add this sodium metabisulfite, forming those fumes. Eventually it'll stop doing it, and the gold will stay precipitated. Then we'll be able to get it out of the solution. Looks like we're getting there right now. That white foam produced right there is what it looks like when we've completed the precipitation. That white foam forming on top of our solution. I think we pretty much got it here. Here it is. This is our pure gold from that waste solution. What I'm going to do, you notice our bottle up here is nice and clean now. So we're going to use this to draw the liquid off of my gold-filled scrap. As far as this goes, what I'll do is that waste solution is probably going to contain a little bit of precious metals, so I'll save it. What I'm going to do is I've got a different flask here, and I'm going to pour off the waste solution now that I precipitated out of there. This is a respectable amount of gold. Not that much, probably a few tenths maybe. What we'll do is get that out of there in a funnel or a filter, and then melt it up to a little bead, put it in with my next batch of carat scrap. Just wanted to let y'all know this is part 2 of the gold-filled scrap refining. I've been out here working on this thing all day, and about ready to wrap it up here. And all I have to do is go in and edit the footage, and then I'll get it all compiled, and we'll upload that video probably tomorrow. This is Tuesday evening, about 8:30, 9 o'clock, and tomorrow will be Wednesday. So look for that video, part 2 of my gold field refining video, coming out tomorrow. One more thing in this video, I've got this nice Sony camera. It's a, what does it say there? RX100-6. And it was on the tripod out there, and I knocked it over, and now it's quit working. And someone recommended a place to get it repaired. I don't know where to look to find a good camera repair shop. So if anybody out there watching knows a good place where I can send this off to get it fixed, that would be greatly appreciated. Okay, this will conclude the video. Thanks for watching.